Sunday, we're going to get honeybees, and I'm going to help Dad put them in, and we're both going to wear our bee suits.
All right, guys. So we got our honeybees today.
Spray the outside. Spray it
And William and David are all dressed in their bee suits.
You have a tool pocket. Right here. Look.
Yeah, because you need tools to do this job.
You want to spray it?
Oh, yeah. Alrighty.
Are you focused in?
Yeah, we're good.
What are you doing, buddy?
I am spraying these bees.
You're spraying the bees.
With
What are you spraying them with?
sugar water.
Why are you spraying them with sugar water?
So it calms them down.
Because it
Calms them down.
fills their tummies up.
Oh.
Spray the other side real good.
Oh, yeah. Eat my sugar water.
All right. So now what do?
Now we pry that open.
You pry the top off. Mama, you want to bring the camera over a little closer?
And then there's a can of sugar water under.
Well, before we do that, why don't we get ready for them?
Yeah, we need to get ready.
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, there's bees everywhere. Oh, it's on your finger, Daddy. Having fun. I think every time they get on you, they spread something on it.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
William, what do you think so far?
Okay. Well,
All right. Here
I'm
we
gonna
go.
Oh, here we go. All right. All right, so Dad, remind us, what are you pulling out of there?
A can of sugar water.
All right.
now, guys, you know what's going to be interesting? Walking in that gate to see the hogs and the pups. So, yeah.
Oh, why it's so hard to get out.
I know. Ladies.
There we go.
There we go. Watch them
All right.
fly out, guys. Fly out.
So, now I'm pulling out this thing. What is this?
Oh, that is where the queen bee is. Now, if you look closely, guys, the bee that has a blue dot on it, that is the queen bee.
She's in this box,
Oh,
right?
there she is.
In that box.
You shake the bees off.
Yeah, maybe we'll show you guys if you guys can come a little bit closer. Here, I'll show you.
You gonna shake them out?
You guys want to see the queen bee? Now look closely, and if you
Back
see,
up. Hold on.
you see a bee.
There she is.
Yeah, with the blue,
With the blue dot.
yep, blue dot.
Awesome. Thank you, William.
Oh, one's on my.
That's all right. Just keep walking. Act natural.
Yeah.
You got it.
All right. Bring her over here.
Oh, queen bee. I think one just stole my suit.
And remember, you just stay calm.
Yeah, you
If
stay
you
We'll
so
pry
swat.
this out. Why are we prying this out?
they can get out.
Yeah, so she can get out. Because there's sugar in there, and it keeps her trapped.
Yeah.
And that kept her from eating it all out. So we're gonna throw this in here, and then she'll be able to eat her way out
He's trying to dig in my suit.
in a couple of days.
Alrighty.
Try not to smush them.
Yep.
All
Everybody.
right, this is the inner cover.
Yeah, we love
And
these.
what is this?
That is the feeder.
And then what do we put in the feeder?
We put sugar water on the feeder.
Why do we put sugar water in the feeder?
So it keeps them happy.
Do you have sugar water to feed me? Give me the Coke can.
Can I fill it up, Daddy?
Yeah, you sure can.
Thank you. Alrighty. We got our top dad. Can you hold it, please?
Okay, I will.
Alright.
I'll be your good helper.
Thank you. Alright. Fill it up.
I hope it's still recording. My low battery sign came on. And I can't click it off, guys.
Alright. There we go, guys. Oh, I feel bad. Oh, yeah, usually when the bees get in the sugar water, they die. It's sad. Yeah, we had a couple fly in the first one and it died.